Hello, streamers. Before starting the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also comment your thoughts and suggestions that will help to reach my 200 subscribers milestone. So let's get started. In this video, talking about an exciting opportunity to share with you, the iDEAL Internship Program by iDEAL Defense Innovation Organization. Are you passionate about defense and aerospace technology development? This stipend-based internship program offers a unique chance to gain practical experience in managing niche projects. Let's dive right in and learn all about. First, understand what is iDEAL. iDEAL stands for iDEAL Defense Exploration and Learning. It's a stipend-based internship program that aims to provide students with exposure and hands-on experience in managing projects related to defense and aerospace technology development. The program focuses on enhancing skills in program management, stakeholder management, data analysis, documentation, compliance, and more. Now let's check benefits. The iDEAL internship program comes with a range of benefits. First, you'll receive a monthly stipend of either 20,000 rupees for a 3-month internship or 30,000 rupees for a 6-month internship. The Internship Experience Certificate issued by iDEAL/MOD will add weight to your resume. Moreover, you'll gain hands-on experience in defense-related project management and technology development. Now let's check it is work from home or work from office. All iDEAL interns will work at the DIO office located in New Delhi. Keep in mind that the internship is neither a job nor a guarantee of employment with the authority. However, exceptional interns who align well with the iDEAL ecosystem may have a relaxed recruitment process for the iDEAL program executive position. This is the criteria to apply the iDEAL internship. Now, let's check how to apply the internship. The process is simple. Head to the official website www.idex.gov.in to submit your application. Remember, applications received through any other mode will not be considered, so make sure to follow the online application procedure. Moreover, the link is given in the description, and please make sure to apply before the deadline, which is the 7th of August 2023. Don't miss out on this opportunity, as applications will not be accepted after the specified date. Apply now and secure your position. The link for the PDF of guidelines for the internship is given in the description. The iDEAL internship program is an incredible opportunity for students interested in defense and aerospace technology development. You'll gain invaluable experience, receive a stipend, and have the chance to contribute to real-world projects. If you meet the eligibility criteria, don't miss out on this chance to elevate your skills and knowledge. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below. Best of luck to all the future iDEAL interns. Until next time, take care and stay curious. Now let's check eligibility. To apply for iDEAL, you must be an Indian citizen with specified educational qualifications from a recognized university. The maximum age limit for candidates is 26 years at the time of application. Undergraduate students in science and engineering/technology, final year postgraduate students, and recent graduates from relevant degree programs are eligible to apply.